am Dr. W.V.S. Ramalingam, Senior Director and HOD, Department of ENT, BL Kapoor Hospital. I am talking about AirProm is a wearable air purifier mask. Now I'll show you what it contains. It's a very nice mask. First of all, before I go about it, we usually wear this 3M N95 mask. If you have seen, there is a pin over here. When I wear it like this, it presses on the nose and it creates a deep impression, and the nose starts paining after some time. And after 15 minutes of continuous wearing, one can have little bit of breathlessness. It is advisable to loosen little bit after 15 minutes and take a deep breath and then put it again. This is what everybody recommends. But whereas this air purifier mask, which is from Korea, I'll show you. This is a nice mask having few components which I am going to show you. This is silicone mask which fits very snugly on the nose like this, if you see, and it has got a HEPA filter inside. HEPA filter, it goes from here, HEPA filter, and there is a small fan inside. That fan rotates and it gives cool air, so your glasses, they don't get fogged. Now I'm going to wear, and it has a battery. I'll show you the battery. This is the battery which I'm going to connect it to my respirator. It is how it is connected, okay? And I'll tell you how to operate this battery. First of all, let me wear it. It has got two holes, as you see. This is for the ears to come out, and then it has got a Velcro, so you can tighten it like this, and as per your requirement, you are tightening it. Okay? Now this is how it looks like. Now this is the battery which has been charged. Now I have to keep it rest for 3 seconds, and then blue light comes. Once blue light comes, the inside fan is rotating, and if you press again, the speed of the fan increases, and this is the highest speed. But you don't require that much. You just put at 1, you are quite comfortable. You are breathing very normally without any problem. Actually, this is used for in industrial places where a lot of gas, everything is around. The workers, they use it. But what we found in our corona setup, this is very good because it gives 99.99% protection against coronavirus. 99.99%. And I wear this on the top of it. I use my shield. Okay. Now my eyes are also protected, and my nose and mouth is tightly fitted with this mask, and I can keep this in my pocket, and I can examine the patients. I can use it in the operation theatre where we are dealing with aero generating procedures. Like in case of FES or laryngeal surgery, I will be using this with goggles, and then you will see that it is very, very comfortable. There is no question of any aerosol generating particles entering into nose or mouth or in the ears. Okay, I'll be showing you that the use in operating room as well as while seeing the patients. So,
hello everybody, I'm Dr. Neha Sood, Senior Consultant at BLK Super Speciality Hospital, Delhi. And in this Corona times, I'd like to talk to you about how our lives have changed and how we have ended up wearing N95 mask every day to work. So as you can see, I'm wearing a 3M 8210 N95 mask, and on wearing this mask for hours together, what happens is that when we take off the mask, the entire skin of our nose and the cheeks, it starts leaving marks on the skin. Secondly, when we wear this mask for hours, we tend to get suffocated. We are rebreathing our own air, and after some time you need to loosen up your mask so that you can actually take a gasp of fresh air. And in contrast to this mask, now I would like to talk to you about something which we have here, which is the Airtron, which is a wearable air purifier mask. It has a mask with silicone edges, so that when you wear this mask, it does not leave any marks. It is very, very comfortable. It has a fan inside with a HEPA filter, and the battery here can be recharged using a USB port, which is available along with it. And once we wear this mask, the advantage here is that because there is a fan, so you do not feel suffocated, and because of the silicone edges of the mask, it is very, very comfortable to wear, and it is snugly fitting, so there is no leak of any air from around the mask. So I'm just going to show you the process of wearing this mask and how we use this mask. So these are adjustable flanges which can be adjusted according to your face and your head size, and then this has Velcro which can tie up the mask. So once we wear it, you put these the holes which are given here around over your ears, and then the Velcro is tightened depending upon how much is comfortable for you. So now this is comfortable and it is very snugly fitting. Now the other attachment with it is a motor here. So what I will do is I'll first...
No, wait. Yeah.
So what we have here is an attachment which is a battery which is connected to your mask, and you see there is a button here. So you press it for 3 seconds and it turns on the fan inside. So probably you can hear a little bit of noise of the fan. So it has 3 modes. Level 1 is the minimum level of the fan. You can increase it to level 2 or to 3 depending upon how much is comfortable for you. And one more advantage is that you probably can hear my voice clearly, which is very difficult with other masks and face shields and everything. So conversing with people is also easier while you're operating or doing some procedure. And this battery is rechargeable. So there is a plug which is given along with the mask, and you can using this USB port you can recharge the battery.